We thought of cells as having a history that's very much like ourselves, where they go from something that is relatively ill-defined. You know, we are, as children, thinking that we could become anything, and probably could. But as we get progressively older, we end up becoming more and more specialized to become a certain kind of person doing a particular kind of work. It turns out that that rigidity of process is not true for cells. And that means that we can now take from any one of us a cell population from a simple biopsy or even blood draw and convert it back to a cell type that can become any part of us. We can get cells from people who have diseases that we otherwise understand very poorly. We can make those cells into the disease type that's affected. If that's the case, now we can start to have better tools to be able to understand those diseases and better tools to be able to discover new drugs. We haven't accomplished all of that quite yet, but I think that notion that cells have this ability to change from one state to another has really rocked the very foundations of biology. And so from the President's office came the opportunity to create a structure, Harvard Stem Cell Institute. From the surrounding members of the larger Harvard community came an interest and a willingness to participate in a structure that, frankly, they didn't have to participate in, but they decided that there was something fundamentally valuable that they could do in a unique way here at Harvard. And that has brought us together to make what is really the largest aggregate of people doing stem cell research around the world.